Hi everybody. So now in this videos I will be explaining on what disease can happen, what problems can happen in the digestive tract starting from the mouth until the end, and what are the symptoms and what we can do in order to heal them and improve the symptoms. So the first one is the mouth. So what are the common diseases in the mouth? So what we can experience. Number one is common sores, which are herpes simplex. 90% of the people have this virus. Then number two is dry mouth, then gum disease and Candida. How many of you have any of these symptoms? Write down in the comment. So 90% of the people have herpes simplex, or any kind of herpes, and I have also too. So this virus is very common, so almost everybody has it, but it comes out whenever it's our immunity is lower. This one is really contagious, and it can be transferred with a kiss or touching the sores and touching anybody else. And but many people also have them whole their life, but they may not develop any symptoms. So the symptoms can be pain and itching and blisters coming out in the mouth and swollen lymph nodes, fever. This can last from maybe 2 to 3 weeks and without any scarring. Number two symptoms is dry mouth. This is when the salivary glands don't produce enough saliva in the mouth. This can be caused by dehydration, so not enough fluid in the body to produce the saliva, which protects us, which helps with the digestion and protects us from the harmful bacteria. It can be a symptom of some disease like diabetes, stroke, yeast infection, then Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's, and any autoimmune disease. So drink plenty of water. Avoid caffeine because caffeine is diuretic, so it's expelling and taking out the fluids from the body. And also try some spices which can stimulate production of the saliva in the salivary glands. Next one is gum disease, and that's periodontitis or gingivitis, which is an inflammation of the gums. So symptoms can be red swollen gums and sensitive teeth, like sensitive to cold and hot, and bad taste in the mouth or bad breath. And also because the gums are swollen and they are irritated, they are slowly going away from the teeth, and you can lose the teeth. So what you can do about it? So cleaning the teeth regularly, the plaque, and flossing. Avoid smoking and maintain the balanced diet, more antioxidants like vitamin E, vitamin C, and all vitamin-rich food. Next one is Candida, and this is showed like a thick saliva or white patches. It can be in the tongue or in the top of the mouth, on the ceiling, and or inside the throat, the white patches. And it can cause the risk of cavities and mouth infections. So the symptoms can be redness or soreness, pain while swallowing, and loss of taste also, and white patches, as I said, in the inner cheeks or the tongue or on the throat. And what you can do about Candida is to try and put half a teaspoon of salt in the waters and dissolve it and not drink it, but swirl in the mouth and then spit it out. And do that more often because salt is antiseptic and antifungal. You can do also that with baking soda and also with yogurt, because you can drink the yogurt, and because it contains good bacteria which can also help with the killing of the Candida. Also kefir is good. And it's lemon juice, also it's antiseptic, antifungal, and you can do the same, squeeze half a lemon into glass and drink it regularly. Also the spices are turmeric and clove oil, apple cider vinegar, and vitamin C. Okay, in the next video, this was all for now, and in the next video I will be talking about the esophagus and the stomach. So what symptoms and disease we can have in the esophagus and in the stomach. And just a reminder for those who are asking, we start with a course on 1st of June, And if you want to be registered in the waiting list and to be notified when the doors will open, just click on the link above and subscribe to the waiting list. And I will send you an email as soon as the door opens. It will be somewhere in May. But before that, we will have a challenge, GDS challenge in May, and it will be a gluten-free, dairy-free and sugar-free challenge for 3 days only. It's a free and anybody can join to see how it will go and try this kind of recipes and foods which are healthy and beneficial for all our body.